Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to mark a task as a milestone in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Asana app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we have to go into a project, then we have to go into a task, and then in the top right corner we find three little dots. We tap on those, and at the very top we find mark as milestone. If we tap on this, the task is going to be marked as a milestone. So after we have completed it, and even before that, it's going to show that, okay, this task is a milestone. So it's a very important thing. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.